Yeah, normally we have two shift you can say. That is from morning 6 o'clock to night 10 p.m. Okay, yeah. Production for a season it will vary from 30 to 35 tons. Okay. Yeah, tons. And off season now you can say is anything around 20 to 25 tons. Yeah, I will write up. I will inform any if anybody wants this maintenance act, this will be very best I can say. Out of 10, I will rate you 9. Only one suggestion I request that once the ticket is being raised, okay. The technician he is attending now. That time he not able to fix this one because he cannot fix the call immediately. What he is doing, he put the call. And afterwards, when he is free now, then only he can close this spot. Mobile application is very good. Yeah, even it is supporting Android also. Android as well as iPhone Office, right? Actually, what happens before using InnoMaint, we have referred 2-3. We have contacted 2 to 3 vendors. I know, don't want to name them, but main thing is I am not getting a report for that. Yeah, once the work is done, I should get the report. What is the root cause? What are the spare use? That everything should come in one sheet. In their report, I found that only they are mentioning one single line. There is whole work is being done. Yeah, I don't think that this will be elaborated. Just this. While switching to the InnoMaint, I can get all the details, whatever spare use. I can get the stocks also. Actually, before using this InnoMaint, we used to write in notebook what are the daily works done, and easier to refer this logbook every day. And keep one separate record for making history of all the machineries. Now after using this, I can get the reports of all the preventive maintenance as well as this breakdown maintenance in 1 or 2 sheets. Yeah, so that I can predict this preventive schedule, so that I can maintain this records. Please.